I'd like to walk you through the process of making a clipping mask. I'm going to create a new canvas, Web Large. I will unlock the background layer by clicking on the padlock icon. Then I'll go into the Select menu and select All and press Delete to make the layer transparent. Now I'm going to create some text. Next, I'll open up an image that I'd like to clip to that text. I'm going to get my Move tool, and then I'll click on the layer and drag it up to the tab of my other image with the text. Keeping my mouse held down, I'll bring it into that canvas and then hold my Shift key down and drop it. Command or Control T to do a free transform. Command or Control 0 to be able to see the resizing handles, and I'll resize it. I'll use the shortcut key to clip this to its text layer underneath. That is holding down the Alt or Option key and clicking right between those two layers. I can use the Move tool to move the picture around within the text. Now I will hold my Command or Control key down as I click on the New Layer icon in the Layers palette, and that will add a new layer underneath. I'm going to go into the Edit menu and then fill it with black. I think I'll add a stroke by clicking on the text layer and then going down to the Effects menu in the Layers panel and choosing Stroke. And there you have it.